This was confusing until this fault code appeared.
I think I found it. Do the brake lights come on?
Press them. Right now, no.
Brake switch gone.
Really?
So it doesn't think it doesn't think you're pressing the brake.
Is that error code?
Look, switch A for brake pedal has a malfunction. The signal comparison is faulty. The brake pedal switch is gone. Because if you don't put your foot on the brake, if it doesn't think your foot's on the brake, the car won't start.
So we've got to get a new switch.
What? It seems weird though that it's crashed and the brake pedal's gone.
But who knows? Weirder things have happened.